Hello everyone, welcome back to Shifted Podcast, Shifting Roles, Chasing Goals. And welcome back with me, Adam as your host. And today we will discuss about, we will continuing about the life as a student in the university. As you watched before with our sister Afra in this seat, yeah, with myself in that seat. Okay, we discussing about the transition from senior high school or the application to 12 schools, yeah, into the university schools. And today we will discuss with our brother, the inspirational brother, yeah, the inspirational brother, my classmate also, okay, like me and Afra. Okay, please welcome my friend Hisham Ahmad Hisham. Okay, please welcome. Hello. Okay, Hisham.
Okay.
Okay, how are you, Hisham?
Fine, and you?
Okay, how's your day?
Good. Happy. Yes, I'm feeling happy.
Okay, and what's your activity since morning, and what do you do before this podcast?
No, I before I come to here,
Yeah.
I automatically I have a breakfast. Before breakfast, I run.
Oh, you run.
Yeah, just
Where do
run.
you run? Where do you run?
Around my course.
Oh, around your class.
Course.
Okay, what pace that you get during your run?
I get the slow run. Yeah.
Slow run.
Slow run. Just I get pace 6.
Oh, pace 6. Okay. Okay. Actually, in this podcast, we discussing about the university era, and before we have discussed, we have sharing with our friend, with our classmate, the transition from the senior or junior high school to the college, to the college era.
Okay.
And for this episode, we will discussing about staying afloat when deadlines pile up, or how you can manage your pressure or the deadlines from the assignment or from the outside pressure from the organization, from the job, from your parents' expectation. Parents' expectation.
The language for new Gen Z.
Okay.
Expectation is
Expectation is
very scared.
Very
Very
scary.
scary.
Sure, yeah. We as a sandwich the
We have so many pressure. From parents.
Sure. And I will asking to you. We just sharing the experience here.
Okay.
Sharing the experience, especially in this college, yeah.
Yes.
Especially in the college or the academics. What kind of pressure do you get, especially in the college?
Kind of pressure.
Yeah, kind of
Maybe from the
or the deadlines or the expectation or
I think the mostly from expectation.
okay, which expectation you?
Like you must be better for me.
Oh.
Maybe like from the senior organization to be I have to be junior.
Oh yeah.
I still have the senior.
Oh,
So you
okay.
must be better for us.
Oh, yeah.
That's the word we familiar.
Oh.
When we come to this university,
Yeah.
when we have the first word is from the senior, you must be better from us.
From our era.
For the expectation.
Okay, for the what if in the in the case of study, what's the expectation to get
From study,
from study?
the first suggestion from my parents. I must to be get the good what grade.
Good
Good
grades,
grade.
yeah.
Good grade. So if I didn't get the good grade, so my parents feel panicful.
Oh, it's panic.
Panic.
Yeah. Okay, you have to focus on your study.
Study,
To get the
uh,
good grades in the courses.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's for the kind of pressure. Okay, I will asking for what's your experience? What's your experience? How much the pressure it comes from outside or from yourself?
Oh, maybe how much? Yeah. Maybe it's many.
It's many.
Many.
From outside or from yourself? From your,
Especially of course from myself.
from yourself.
Myself. Because what? Because when I enter this university,
Yeah.
when I don't know from outside how about expectation to me, but I feel I must to do the better,
The best.
do the best for them, like for my parents or for my brother, because my big brother study here, so okay.
Okay, the pressure is from yourself, from your what you thought, from the pressure from the outside, and you think it harder,
Yes,
it's
harder.
Okay, you have to do your best to make your brother or your parents or your close your close person proud to you. Okay. Okay. For the next is what the kind of habit, the small habit that you do every day or you do in a week to manage your pressure itself.
The habit, of course, I wake up. I must wake up before subuh prayer. Subuh prayer, because I think for me, wake up subuh prayer is important, because if I wake up after subuh like 7 morning, like 8 morning, I feel lazy, bro.
You feel lazy.
I don't want to go anywhere. I just want to continue my sleeping.
Sure.
My sleeping. This is the important habit for me. So every week, every Sunday, I write the plan. The plan for nice from 1 week. One week. 1 week. Because if I don't write the plan for 1 week, I don't know.
What
when
do you want to do?
to do.
Okay. There's such a good habit for manage the pressure.
Yeah.
Like you have to rest in the best time to rest.
Yeah.
To sleep at night. You have to put off your phone to get out all of the pressure in a day. The social energy is low. The social energy is low, and you have to recharge it.
Yes, because what? Because I tried before 1 week. Before 1 week, when my wife yesterday, I before at 9 o'clock p.m. PM in night. At night. PM or AM? PM. PM. And then I try. I must. My phone is off. I don't touch my
your
phone.
yeah.
But I want to sleep more. Sleep
Okay.
at on time. Sleep on time.
Okay. Okay, and yeah, that's your experience to survive and practice. Yeah. Sometimes you can manage by ourselves, but yeah, sometimes we can't to do all of them. Yeah. We can't to do all of the work.
Yeah.
Totality 100%. Yeah, that kind of pressure that it will be difficult to survive it. But
Yes.
yeah, we have to do it. Yeah. As a police, we have the sandwich. We have called by sandwich generation. We get pressure from lecture, from university, from organisasi, from parents, from other outside pressure. Yeah.
More or less.
More than
pressure.
that pressure. Okay, thank you, my brother, my classmate Hisham,
Yeah.
for sharing with us,
Yeah.
for sharing with our listener,
Yeah.
our listener, our subscriber
Okay.
here.
Yeah.
Because we as a student have many pressure, and how we can manage our pressure from the transition.
Yes.
We enter into adaptation, and we have to we have to make some habit to make our life is going well. You know.
Okay.
Yeah, like your habit before. Yeah,
Ah.
in every last week, in Sunday, you make a to-do list for
Yeah,
the
to-do list,
for next
next
week.
week.
Yeah. Okay. You wake up before subuh. Because after subuh you will be lazy if you wake up after subuh
Oh.
in 7 or in 8.
Especially at 12 noon. Afternoon, yes. Yes, what?
Especially for 12
Iya, 12.
zuhur until zuhur.
Noon.
Okay, the most important thing that we can get from Hisham's experience, that he can survive in from first and to the 5th semester. Yeah, it's like 2.5 years, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 2.5 years from 2023 to 2026. Yeah, okay, it's a long time to survive, and yeah, you can survive it. Yeah.
Yes.
You can survive it with the difficult way, and how to your adaptation with the new environment in this campus.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe that's all, Hisham.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing with us, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Yeah. Our YouTube channel. The name is Shifted Podcast.
Okay.
Shifted Podcast,
I will
especially.
subscribe.
Yeah, must to subscribe.
Yeah, okay.
If you don't subscribe, I will punch you. Okay. Thank you for being here, Hisham. Thank you. See you in the next time. Okay. Thank you. Welcome back. See you next episode. Shifting roles, chasing goals. Bye bye.